Hey guys, we're out here at the Lake Norman State Park.
Killing the game.
Yep, killing the game. Definitely. We killed the game yesterday, so hopefully... Yeah. So hopefully today we'll do just as good, if not better. Lots of pigs being caught out of the state park lately, so we'll see if we can do the same. Alright, let's go. I don't think it's happening here, to be honest. Plus we'll find clearer water and we can get onto the actual lake. You want to? Snag. That's about the only thing I've caught today. You ready? Are you serious? Race! Oh my god! Dude, he's a pig! He's a pig! Oh my god, dude, help me out! Oh my gosh!
On what?
Wacky!
I'm gonna come get him.
Oh my gosh, help me! Help me, he's a pig! He's an absolute pig! He is a Lake Norman stud! Lake Norman stud! He's not coming off. But I need... I'll get him. Oh, oh, I got him. I got him. Ooh, he's fucked up. Oh my gosh.
Bring him here. Oh, he is a pig.
Oh my god. Yes.
Got him.
Oh, he's a... Holy crap, dude.
Got him. Alright, I'll get a picture, I promise.
He's a Lake Norman.
He counts as like Norman. Man, I guess it is, and he's like Norman.
Oh my gosh, dude. Here, let me stand up with him. Oh, he's not even that big, but you know what?
That's like a 3.5 at least.
Three.
I think I'm saying 3.5. He's almost 40.
You sure?
I'm thinking. Alright, the flash isn't on. Okay. Got it.
Let's bring you back. Oh my gosh.
Wacky rig.
Hand sticker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's up. Oh, she spawned out. She's spawning, dude. That's why I caught her.
Why?
Because she's spawning. Alright, I'm gonna fish until that little tributary and then I'm gonna head to the waterfall. How about that? You know where that water comes out? Because that looks pretty good. But after that I'm done. Whoa, that was weird. Do you see it curve? The wacky. Damn it, fish. I'm gonna... Oh. Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. Dude, he's a freaking pig. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's bigger than the last. He's much bigger. Barely hooked. I need assistance.
Bring it to me.
Oh man, yeah, he popped off, I think.
Oh, he's still on.
I know he's still on, but he's barely. You gotta get him on this run. You gotta get him. Oh, get him.
No, he's good.
Get him.
He's stuck. It's on the top of his mouth.
Yes! Holy fuck, she's fat.
What are you catching? Stop.
That one's a 4. That one's like a 3.5, 4.
I'm not fishing this wacky shit.
That's what I'm fishing.
I don't care.
Dude, I'm gonna leave the base to you because I don't want to like steal your fish. I'm like, okay. I'm just gonna be nice and fish over here. I don't think I'll catch anything.